Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, let us solve three problems of exercise 4.5, problem 16, problem 17 and problem 18 of chapter 4 determinants of 12th class maths. Let us start with the 16th problem of exercise 4.5. Let us read the problem. If A is equal to matrix 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2, verify that a cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4 times I is equal to the 0 matrix, and hence find A inverse. Okay, this 16th problem is similar to the 15th problem. If you have seen my previous video, then you can recollect that we have done such type of a problem. Okay, but still, if you have not seen the previous video, let us do this problem now. So if A is equal to 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2, right? So given is A equal to 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2. To verify this, we have to find A square, A cube, right? So let us first find A square. So that is equal to A times A. So this will be equal to what? Matrix 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1, then 1 minus 1 2, and multiplied by the same matrix 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2. Okay, so A square will be equal to, we have to multiply these two matrices. So first row of the first matrix multiplied with the first column of the second matrix, that is 2 times 2 is 4. Then we will have minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. Then we will have 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, then first row times the second column, 2 times minus 1 is minus 2, minus 1 times minus 1 times 2 is minus 2, 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. Then first row times the third column, 2 times 1 is 2, minus 1 times minus 1 will be plus 1, then 1 times 2 will be plus 2. Second row first column, minus 1 times 2 is minus 2, 2 times minus 1 is minus 2, minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. Second row second column, minus 1 times minus 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. Now second row multiplied by the third column, minus 1 times 1 is minus 1, 2 times minus 1 is minus 2, minus 1 times 2 is minus 2. Now third row multiplied by the first column, 1 times 2 is 2, minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1, 2 times 1 is 2. Now third row second column, 1 times minus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 times 2 is minus 2, 2 times minus 1 will be minus 2. Now third row third column, 1 times 1 is 1, minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1, 2 times 2 is plus 4. So A square will be equal to matrix 4 plus 1 is 6, minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 will be minus 5, 2 plus 1 plus 2 will be 5, minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 will be minus 5, 1 plus 4 5 plus 1 is 6, minus 1 times minus 1 minus 2 will be minus 3, minus 3 minus 2 will be minus 5, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, minus 1 minus 2 will be minus 3, minus 3 minus 2 will be minus 5, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, so here we have got the A square matrix. Now we can find A cube. So A cube will be equal to A times A square. So this will be equal to what? So A is 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, minus 1, 2 minus 1, and 1 minus 1, 2. A square is this, so 6 minus 5, 5, then minus 5, 6 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 6. Okay, so now we can multiply this. So A cube will be equal to what? First row multiplied by the first column, so 2 times 6 is 12, then minus 1 times minus 5 is plus 5, then 1 plus 1 multiplied by 5, right, will be plus 5. First row second column, 2 multiplied by minus 5 is minus 10, minus 1 multiplied by 6 will be minus 6, 1 multiplied by minus 5 will be minus 5. First row third column, 2 times 5 will be 10, minus 1 times minus 5 will be plus 5, 1 times 6 will be plus 6. Second row first column, minus 1 times 6 will be minus 6, 2 times minus 5 will be minus 10, minus 1 times 5 will be minus 5. Second row second column, minus 1 times minus 5 will be 5, 2 times 6 will be plus 12, and minus 1 times minus 5 will be plus 5. Second column second row third column, minus 1 times 5 is minus 5, 2 times minus 5 will be minus 10, minus 1 times 6 will be minus 6. Now third row first column, 1 times 6 will be 6, minus 1 times minus 5 will be plus 5, 2 times 5 will be 10. Third row second column, 1 times minus 5 will be minus 5, minus 1 times 6 will be minus 6, 2 times minus 5 will be minus 10. Now third row third column, okay, so 1 times 5 will be 5, then minus 1 times minus 5 will be plus 5, and 2 times 6 will be plus 12. Okay, so let us see what is A cube now. A cube will be 12 plus 5 is 17, 17 plus 5 will be 22, minus 10 minus 6 will be minus 11, minus 10 minus 6 will be minus 16, minus 16 minus 5 will be minus 21, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 6 will be 21, minus 6 minus 10 is minus 16, minus 16 minus 5 will be minus 21, 5 plus 12 will be 17, 17 plus 5 will be 22, minus 5 minus 10 will be minus 15, minus 15 minus 6 will be minus 21, 6 plus 5 will be 11, 11 plus 10 will be 21, minus 5 minus 6 will be minus 11, minus 11 minus 10 will be minus 21, 5 plus 5 will be 10, 10 plus 12 will be 22. Okay, so this is what we have. Now let us verify the equation. Okay, so we have to verify this equation: a cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4i equal to the 0 matrix. So let us write it down. A cube minus 6a square, right, then plus 9a plus 4 times I minus 4 times I equal to 0 equal to, now we have to substitute, right? Not 0, we have to substitute. So matrix, so here we will write it down. So matrix, what it is, 22 minus 21 21 minus 21 22 minus 21, okay, 121, then minus 21 22 minus 21, and what is the third row, 21 minus 21 22, right? Then minus 6 times a square is 6 minus 5 5, then we have the second row as minus 5 6 minus 5, and the third row is 5 minus 5 6. Now plus 9 times a, so a is 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1, right? And 1 minus 1 2, let us check. Okay, there is a, yes, okay. So now minus 4 times identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, okay. So this will be equal to 22 minus 21 21 minus 21 22 minus 21. We are writing this matrix as it is, 21 minus 21 22, okay. And now what we will do here, this is minus, and then 6 we can multiply to this matrix, right? So 6 times 6 is 36, 6 times 5, 6 times minus 5 is minus 30, then 6 times 5 is 30, 6 times minus 5 is minus 30, 6 times 6 is 36, 6 times minus 5 is minus 30, 6 times 5 is 30, 6 times minus 5 is minus 30, and 6 times 6 is 36. Now plus we have this 9 multiplied by the matrix, so 9 multiplied by 2 18, 9 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 9, 9 multiplied by 1 is 9, 9 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 9, 9 multiplied by 2 is 18, 9 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 9, 9 multiplied by 1 is 9, 9 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 9, and 9 multiplied by 2 is 18, okay. And the last matrix we have to write, so this is 4 times this matrix, that means you will get 4 here, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 0 is 0, and 4 times 1 is 4, okay. So this will be equal to matrix. Now we can take the sum or the difference, whatever it is, right? 22 minus 36 and then plus 18 minus 4, right? Then minus 21 minus of minus 30, plus of minus 9, then we have minus 0, okay. Then 21 minus 30, right here, 21 minus 30 plus 9 minus 0, so 21 minus 30 plus 9 and plus 0, okay, or minus 0, same thing it is. Now let us write this, minus 21 minus of minus 30, Okay, then what we have, plus of minus 9 and minus 0. Then the A22 element will be 22 minus 36 plus 18 and minus 4. Okay, then what we will get, minus 21 minus of minus 30 plus of minus 9 minus 0, minus 21 minus of minus 30 and plus 9 plus of minus 9 and minus 0. Okay, that we need not write. Now let us see, 21 minus 30 plus 9 minus 0. Okay, then minus 21 minus of minus 30 plus of minus 9, minus 21 minus of minus 30 and plus of minus 9. Then what we will get, 22 minus 36 plus 18 minus 4, 22 minus 36 plus 18 minus 4. Okay, so let us see what we get here. 22 plus 18, that will be 40, and then minus 36 minus 4 is minus 40. Okay, so 40 minus 40. Then what we will get here, minus 21 plus of minus 9 will be minus 9, so minus 21 minus 9 will be minus 30, minus of minus 30 will be plus 30. Then 21 plus 9 is 30 and minus 30 here. Okay, minus 21 minus 9 will be minus 30, minus of minus 30 will be plus 30. Then 22, okay, 22 plus 18 will be 40, and minus 36 minus 4 will be minus 40. Now minus 21 minus 9 will be minus 30, minus of minus 30 will be plus 30. Okay, 21 plus 9 is 30 and this is minus 30 here, right? Minus 21 minus 9 is minus 30, and what you get here, minus of minus 30, that is plus 30. Then 22 plus 18 will be 40 and minus 36 minus 4 will be minus 40, right? So these problems are very easy, only thing they are lengthy. Okay, so method is the same, okay, mostly. So 40 minus 40 0, minus 30 plus 30 is 0, 30 minus 30 is 0, minus 30 plus 30 is 0, 40 minus 40 is 0, minus 30 plus 30 is 0, 30 minus 30 is 0, minus 30 plus 30 is 0, 40 minus 40 is 0. So you have got a 0 matrix. So what we have got here, let us write down. Okay, that is a cube minus 6a square, a cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4i is equal to the 0 matrix, right? So this is what we have got, this is what we had to verify it, so hence verified here. Okay, but there is a second part to this, we have to find the A inverse. So for that, what we have to do, we have to multiply A inverse on both sides of the equation. So what we will get, A inverse times, okay, A inverse times a cube minus 6a square, right, plus 9a and minus 4i is equal to A inverse times the 0 matrix. Okay, so this will imply what? See, A inverse times a cube you will get minus A inverse times a square, but this minus 6 is out, that you have to know. Okay, minus 6 is a scalar, and so you will get A inverse times a square. Now plus 9 times A inverse times a. and minus 4 times A inverse times I, and that will be equal to A inverse times the 0 matrix is the 0 matrix. Okay, so this will imply what? Now A inverse times 1 A will get multiplied to it, right? A inverse times A, that will be I, and A square will remain here. Now minus 6, similarly here A inverse 1 A will get multiplied, so A inverse times A will be I, and 1 A will remain, plus 9. Okay, then A inverse times A, that is I, right, minus 4 times A inverse times I. Now any matrix multiplied to identity matrix will give the same matrix back, so A inverse here, that will be equal to the 0 matrix. So what we will get here? Identity times A square is again A square, and minus 6 times identity times A will be A, plus 9I minus 4A inverse equal to the 0 matrix. So this will imply what? A square minus A plus 9I is equal to 4A inverse, right? So this will imply what? 1 by 4 times A square minus A plus 9I is equal to A inverse. So now if we calculate A inverse, so what it will be? 1 by 4, right? And this A square we have already calculated it. A square is where? Here, 6 minus 5, 5. Okay, that matrix 6 minus 5, 5. Then you have minus 5, 6 minus 5, and 5 minus 5, 6. This is the matrix A square. Now minus A, so minus A will be 2 minus 1, 1, that matrix, right? Yeah, 2 minus 1, 1. So 2 minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1, then 1 minus 1, 2. So now plus 9 times I, that will be 9 times the identity matrix. Okay, 9 times the identity matrix, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, and then that is equal to A inverse, that we had written it on the right hand side, I mean left hand side we had written it A inverse, and this is the right hand side. Okay, now A inverse is equal to what? See, 1 by 4 matrix. Now just add or subtract as you have here. So 6 minus 2 plus 9, right? And minus 5, minus of minus 1, and plus 0. Okay, so this we had to multiply here 9. Oh, so that we will do, and then we will calculate it. So we have to write these two matrices again, right? 6 minus 5, 5, then minus 5, 6, minus 5, 5 minus 5, 6, then matrix 2 minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2, and then we have to multiply 9 to this. So 9 0 0 0 9 0 and 0 0 9. Okay, so what we will get? A inverse is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, now we can add or subtract as you have here. So 6 minus 2 plus 9, then minus 5, minus of minus 1 plus 0, then 5 minus of 1 plus 0, then minus 5 minus of minus 1 plus 0, minus 5 minus of minus 1 plus 0, 6 minus 2 plus 9, 6 minus 2 plus 9, minus 5 minus of minus 1 plus 0, minus 5 minus of minus 1 plus 0, 5 minus 1 plus 0, 5 minus 1 plus 0, minus 5 minus of minus 1 plus 0, minus 5 minus of minus 1 plus 0, 6 minus 2 plus 9, 6 minus 2 plus 9. Okay, so this will be equal to what? 1 by 4. So this is A inverse here. 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 plus 9 is 13, minus 5 minus of minus 1 is plus 1, so minus 5 plus 1 will be minus 4, 5 minus 1 is 4, minus 5 plus 1, right, minus 5 minus of minus 1, that is plus 1, so minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4, 6 minus 2 is 4, and plus 9 will be 13, minus 5 plus 1 will be minus 4, 5 minus 1 is 4, minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4, and 6 minus 2 is 4 plus 9, that is 13. Okay, so this is the answer, right, A inverse. And now let us go to the next one. So now 17th and the 18th problem are MCQs. Okay, so let us see how to do them. Let us read them properly. First, 17th one, let A be a non-singular square matrix of order 3 by 3. Then this determinant, right, this is determinant, adjoint of A is equal to, we have to select the correct option, right. So solution, now what we have here, let A be a non-singular matrix of order 3 by 3. Okay, so given A be a non-singular matrix, right, so that is nothing but determinant of A is not equal to 0. So a non-singular matrix means the determinant of A is not equal to 0. Now we can go to this. Then what is the determinant of adjoint of A? So for finding determinant of adjoint of A, you have to know one formula here. Okay, and that is what? That is A times adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A times I. Okay, so this is from theorem 1 of chapter 4. Okay, that is this chapter, determinants, right, from theorem 1. So we want now determinant of adjoint of A. Okay, so we have to take determinant of this equation. So determinant of A times adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A times I. Okay, so what we will get here? See, now determinant of A times B, right, is equal to determinant of A times determinant of B. So what we will get here? Determinant of A times determinant of adjoint of A, right. This is our B now. So determinant of A times B, determinant of A times determinant of B, which is equal to now determinant of A times I. Now you know that whenever you take a scalar common from determinant, okay, what happens? Since this is a 3 by 3 matrix, right, what will happen here? The scalar that will come out from the determinant will be determinant A raised to 3. Okay, and then we will get determinant of I here. Why we got determinant of A cube? Because this I was identity matrix of order 3 by 3, right. So whenever we will take the determinant of A, that is the scalar multiplied to the 3 by 3 identity matrix, we will get determinant of A cube common. Okay, so we get this equation. So this will imply determinant of adjoint of A. We have to find this. This will be equal to what? Determinant of A cube divided by determinant of A times determinant of I. Now this we can take it on the right hand side. Why? Since determinant of A is not equal to 0, that is from this. Okay, here we had determinant of A not equal to 0, so we can take determinant of A on the right hand side. We will get this equation. So this will imply determinant of adjoint of A will be equal to determinant of A will get cancelled, 1. Okay, 1 determinant of A will get cancelled. Determinant of A square times, what is the determinant of identity matrix? It is 1. Okay, so now we will get determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A square. So that means the correct option is option B here. Okay, therefore B, determinant of A square, is correct answer. Okay, or correct. So now let us go to the next one. As I have told you that both will be MCQs, 18th will be also MCQ. Let us read the problem. If A is an invertible matrix of order 2, then determinant of A inverse is equal to, you have to select the correct option from these 4. The solution, we have to calculate determinant of A inverse, right? And what is given? Given is this: A is an invertible matrix of order 2. Okay, A is an invertible matrix of order 2. That means what? That is A times A inverse is equal to I, which is equal to A inverse times A for some A inverse matrix. Okay, so that means there is a matrix A inverse such that A times A inverse is equal to the identity matrix, and also A inverse times A is equal to the identity matrix. This definition you know it very well. Now from here we have to calculate determinant of A inverse, right? So determinant of, so what we will do, we will take determinant for this equation. So determinant of A times A inverse, right? Then that will be equal to determinant of I, that will be equal to determinant of A inverse times A. All right, so this will imply what? Determinant of A times A inverse will be determinant of A times determinant of A inverse. So this will be equal to determinant of I is 1, right? And this will be equal to determinant of A inverse times determinant of A. Now what we will do, we will only use this one equation. Okay, actually now both are same. Even if you take determinant of A inverse times determinant of A equal to 1, there is no problem. Okay, so we will take this equation, and what we will get, so we want determinant of A inverse, so we can take determinant of A on this side. Okay, so determinant of A inverse will be equal to 1 by determinant of A, and determinant of A is not 0. Why? Because you can see that the product of determinant of A and determinant of A inverse is 1. So both determinant of A and determinant of A inverse are not 0. Okay, otherwise you would have got 0. So since determinant of A is not 0, we can take determinant of A on the right hand side. Okay, so here we can write the reason: since determinant of A is not equal to 0. So the correct answer is B. Okay, this 1 by determinant of A. So B 1 by determinant of A is correct. So that was the answer of the problem 18. So that's it in the video. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.